So when you're changing a windshield wiper, you gotta make sure it's in the driver's side and the passenger side over there. So I basically just pulled this off. This hook that was here, then I pull it like this. Hook again, pull it off, push it down. And I try to look for the right size. It's supposed to be different than that one. You can see this is longer. So I'm guessing this is the 20-inch over there and the 18-inch over here. Well, it came with these extra parts. I should have bought the one where I just needed only this part. But I'll do that next time. So I'm just gonna hook it up. Alright, I just hooked it up. Earlier in the video I was doing it the opposite way. Gotta make sure it shows up. Alright, I'm doing the passenger side. So it says up. So I flip it up. Then I slide it so it could go around that, around this hook. So there we go. And I pull it up like this. Hopefully you saw that. And I close it, and bam. These look like a lot better quality compared to this one. You can tell this was really getting old. I'll record the date on when I put this, and we'll see how long this lasts. Make sure we take the plastic part. Alright, that's it. Bam!